Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's tutorial, let me show you how to change the password for your Genshin Impact account. To change password of your Genshin Impact account, first, you have to play with your account and click on the icon at the upper right corner. After that, go to settings by tapping on the gear icon. Then click on account, find user center, and tap on it to proceed. Scroll down and find change password. Click on the Change Password button. Choose either email verification or mobile number verification if you have one connected to your Genshin Impact account. After that, scroll down and click on Send Code. The verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Type the code you receive. Click on Next. Now you can change your Genshin Impact password. Type the new password you want and retype it once. Click on Confirm. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the password of your Genshin Impact account. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.